Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to crush it in Block Blast. If you're staring at the screen like, where do I even begin? Or, how do I avoid embarrassing myself with a low score? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Stick around because I'm about to reveal some secret tips that most players don't even know exist. So grab your phone, your brain, and maybe a snack, because we're jumping right in. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. So please like this video. Let's start with the basics. As you probably know, the game has different difficulty levels. You can relax in Zen mode until you hit a score of 3,000. But once you pass that, it's like the game says, all right, fun's over. One wrong move, and boom, it's game over. That brings me to tip number 1. Plan your moves ahead. I know. You're thinking, plan? In this chaotic game? Trust me, I get it. Sometimes Block Blast feels like it's on your side, and other times it throws you blocks that make you question life itself. But planning ahead is key. Think of it like chess, where every move matters. Don't just plop blocks into obvious spots. Look at those weird, awkward pieces and figure out how to clear them while setting up combos. You're basically an architect, but instead of a skyscraper, you're designing your sanity. Now, tip number 2. Focus on clearing at least one row or column. As your score gets higher, the game gets trickier. Clearing a row or column is like your safety net. It'll keep you from getting stuck. For example, when you get smaller blocks, don't just shove them anywhere. Be strategic. Instead of randomly placing them like a newbie, think about clearing a row or column. And if you lose a life and get a new set of blocks, don't panic. Take a breath, sip your coffee, and focus on clearing something again. Chaos can't beat a prepared player, and that's all I've got for now. Hopefully you'll walk away with fewer gray hairs and a much higher score. Happy blasting, and I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, and feel free to check out my other totally useful videos.